Hello, good evening, guys. Today we will discuss about matrix operation on matrix. Actually, earlier class we discussed some basic concept of matrix and equality of matrix. So today we discuss on matrix. That topic is operation on matrix. Which type of matrix and which type of operation can be operation on matrix? The any matrix A. Any matrix A, that is the Aij M cross N, and another matrix is B, Bij M cross N. That is the two different matrix. That matrix has the same order, so we have to find the value of addition or subtraction by the operation of the matrix on matrix. So first operation we can addition of matrices. Let's say A M cross N plus B M cross N equal to C M cross N. That is the addition of matrix. The matrix A is and B are both are different, but the order are same. First one need order same. So element also equal, means same, equal. Let's say a matrix 2 3 4 4 1 0, B matrix 0 3 2 0 1 2. That is the two different matrix. I want to sum the matrix, two different matrix A plus B. I need to find A plus B. So first we check the order of both matrix same or not. That this is the 2 cross 3, this is the 2 cross 3. The order are same, so we can, this operation can be operate and solve this question. So 2 plus 0 means 2, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 2 6, 2 plus 0 4 plus 0 4, 1 plus 1 2, 0 plus 2 equal to 2. That is another matrix that order is also same, 2 cross 3. So when any two or more than two matrix operation applied and addition, the matrix order will be same. So we can calculate the operation, can apply any operation like addition. Similarly, another operation, subtraction or difference of matrix. Any matrix Aij M cross N, B Bij M cross N. There is the same order and the element are also same, so we can calculate A minus B. That is the difference of two matrices. difference of matrix means Aij m cross n minus Bij m cross n. So we can simply write in the form of Aij minus Bij m cross n. Let's say one example. Any matrix A have value Bn 6 0 6 9 8 2 1 0. We have to find the value of A minus B, or the difference between A minus B. We can calculate. So 6 9 6 3 6 2. The order is same, 2 cross 3. That is the 2 cross 3. Both are the same order matrix, so we can calculate difference of A minus B. Means 6 9 8 2 1 0 0. Here we can see the value of 6 minus 6 means 0, 9 minus 9 0, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 3 minus 2 2, 6 minus 1 5, 2 minus 0 2. That is the difference of two matrix A minus B. Order is same, 2 cross 3. So this type of operation can be applied on matrices. So the property of matrix. What is the property of matrix? What is the property of matrix? Matrix commutative law means addition of matrix. Any two or more than two operation can addition A matrix M cross N and B N cross N. That is the, we can write as the simple form commutative law. According to commutative, A plus B equal to B plus A. The value is same, M cross N, M cross N, M cross N, M cross N. Means order are same, order same for both matrix. That is the addition of matrix. The law applied commutative law. Similarly, we can apply second property of addition of matrix A, B and C. There are three different matrix of same order. Let's say M cross N. Similarly, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. As the same, the simple numerical addition, just same in matrix addition. M cross N, M cross N, M cross N, M cross N. The value are same. This is the associative law applied on addition of matrix. The operation of matrix, properties of matrix addition. That is the commutative law, associative law. That is the same as the similar number of addition. Just we calculate number addition. So next is the additive inverse of matrix. What is the additive inverse of matrix? Any matrix A, that is the form of, that the order of A M cross N means this is the algebraic form. A is A I j m cross n, that is the order. If any matrix add and the value of the matrix is null matrix m cross n, the same order, that is the B is the additive inverse of the A. So we can say A plus minus of A equal to null matrix O. So A matrix A, the inverse of this matrix, additive inverse is minus of A, that is the negative of matrix. A is inverse matrix, additive inverse matrix is minus of A, means a negative of matrix, the negative of A, that is the additive inverse of any matrix. So the value of order m cross n should be same with original matrix and additive of this matrix, that A is a. So we also apply simple A plus minus of A, negative of A equal to O, m cross n. We can write A plus A equal to m cross n, that is the minus A is the additive inverse of A, that is the additive inverse. So we will discuss next. There is the two different matrix A order 2 cross 2, that is the another B is the order 2 cross 2. So find the value of A plus B. What is the value of A plus B? First we can see the value of order are same, order of A and B is same. So we can apply the operation of addition, A plus B, A B minus B, A plus minus A, B minus B minus A. We can find the value of A plus A minus A, B plus B minus B plus minus A plus minus A. So the value is A minus A 0, B plus B 2B, minus B minus 2B, A minus A 0. The value of addition of A plus B equal to 2 cross 2, order same. The value of A plus B equal to this matrix, that is the we can say the value of this matrix is as a C. Simply addition of any matrix of orders or of two matrix A plus B, individual of A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, like that A21 plus B21, A22 B22. That is the simply matrix addition of matrix, operation of matrix. That is the n and n are same. The 2 cross 2. There is a 2 is 2, column is 2. Next, find the value of x if x plus the matrix and equal to another one, then 3 2 2, then order it 2 cross 2, then 2 cross 2. What is the value of x? We have to find out the value of x according to the law of additive of matrix. So we can add x plus 2 5 3 minus 1 equal to 3 2 4 0. That is the addition. So we have find out the value of x. Operation, we can x is equal to 3 4 2 0 minus of 2 5 3 minus 1. That is the difference of the matrix. Thus reverse. We can calculate the value of x as per the definition of addition of matrix or differentiation different of two matrix. 2 minus just 3 minus 2, 4 minus 5, 2 minus 3, 0 minus 1. The value is simply 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 0 minus 1 plus 1. That is the value of x. That is the value of x. X equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. That is the 2 cross 2 square matrix. The order is same as the both of the matrix that is given in the question. So we will discuss next question. What is the next question? Let's see. That is the if A equal to 1 3 4, the matrix is order 2, the value of 3A. Let's say the basic concept of a scalar multiple of matrix. Any scalar k multiply with matrix A, that is we can write in the form of k A equal to k A m cross n m cross n m cross n m cross n is order of matrix. So the k is the scalar. The value of k is a scalar. So the multiple of matrix, a scalar multiple of matrix equal to simply we can write Ka m cross n. Any matrix may be in the form of A11, A12, that is the Mn. So we write in the form of a scalar multiple equal to each value k A11, k A12, k n1, k am1, k m2 KAMN. That is the scalar multiple of any matrix Ka m cross n. So the value, we find the value, I want to find the value of this question. A equal to this matrix 2 cross 2, given 2 cross 2, that is the 2 cross 2 matrix. So the value of 3A, the 3A A equal to 3A equal to 3 into matrix individual element, each element should be multiplied by 3. One, 3, 4, 2. 1, 3, 4, 2. We have to find the value of 3A. That is the scalar multiplication. Definition of the scalar multiplication of matrix. We can see the value. How can find out? This is the value. This type. This is the basic process to find the value of scalar multiple of matrix. So the question, we can find the value of 3. The value 3 cross 3 into 1, 3 into 3, 4 into 3, 3 into 2. That is the value of 3A, a scalar multiple of matrix. 3, 9, 12 and 6. That is the value of order. Order is same as like the original matrix A, 3A. We can write simply 3A m cross n equal to 3A m cross n. Value is the given. We have find a value. Order is same as like this is 2 cross 2. There is the 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2. That is the scalar multiple of the matrix. So we will discuss next video another topic, that is the multiplication, and another operation can be applicable on matrix. So thank you guys.